Gathering accurate data on water flow in the United States is challenging. So we got a subject here, gathering is challenging because of the country's millions of miles, because of it's making this list of item here that it's not gonna be, if you say because of, it's not going to be a clause. So because of country's millions of miles of waterways, so that's your item one. Okay, millions of miles, one. And okay, millions of waterways, and the fact that, so fact is the second part. Fact that the volume and speed of water at any given location can vary drastically over time. Now you guys might think, oh, I do see the verb, and I see the subject, the volume and speed for the dependent clause that here. Okay, that the volume and the speed of water at any given location can vary. So it's tempting to think that, oh, I need a comma before that or somewhere there, but no. You have to pay attention that because of the miles and the fact. So because these are simply one and second items, and you don't see the main clause, okay, dependent clause is not the main clause, you should not have any comma. Now we can also arrive at the eliminating the other answer choices. Now if you look at A here, the fact that you are suddenly breaking the flow, that the fact that the volume, you shouldn't do that because we need to restrict this. This should be used as a restrictive case, then there should be no punctuation. The fact that the volume and speed of water can vary is dependent clause, and that here is used as restrictive case. Therefore, you should not have any comma. So yes, A and B's are out because of that reason. And choice C, we have a comma before and comma after. Okay, thankfully there's nothing around the that here. But remember, we really have just two items, millions of miles and the fact. Why would you have a comma to separate these two items? It's not like we even have three items or four items. And not only that, you don't really put comma after the conjunction and unless there is like a supplementary phrase, and that's not the case here. Unless there is like another phrase I have to like wedge in between. We're not seeing that here, so choice C is incorrect. You gotta go with D.